In this video, we're gonna cover how to create your first automated workflow in Boostpoint Connect. So to do that, we're gonna jump into the workflows section. Now I have a choice. I can either create a new workflow from scratch, or I can duplicate an existing workflow. We're gonna go ahead and duplicate this workflow right here. We're gonna rename it quickly and save that. And so the first thing we're gonna select is create the trigger of the workflow. So we have a couple options here. It could be when a new applicant is created, or maybe when a contact status changes, then the contact will be enrolled into this workflow. For this example, we're gonna do when a new applicant is created. The next thing is to create filters. Here I have the options of maybe a contact tag. So a new applicant needs to be created with a specific tag or a campaign that they come from. So a specific campaign ID. Maybe I have a specific Facebook campaign that's attracting a particular position, and I could filter by just that campaign. For this particular workflow, we are going to not have any filters. So just when any new applicant is created within this account, they'll be triggered into this workflow. So now we start creating our messages for the workflow. So immediately we have this text message to be sent when a new applicant is created. I can go ahead and edit this message to my liking. I can also add photos to this message if I'd like. So we're gonna keep this as is. Now I can set delays and then send multiple messages. So right here I have a 1-day delay set, and then this second message will be sent to this applicant. Next year we have another delay for our third message. Maybe we'll change this to a 2-day delay. And then here's our next message right here. And now I'm gonna create a fourth message right here as well. So to do that, I'm gonna hit the plus icon and set a delay. And right here, we'll do a 3-day delay for this one right here, and now create another message and edit this message. And we'll send this message right here and save that. And that's my last message in this workflow. So now I can set up my workflow completion. So if a contact would respond, I can remove them from this workflow. Is kind of a baseline workflow completion. Also, we have auto unenrollment here as well. So if a contact would choose to opt out of the messages, or if there's a message error, they will automatically be unenrolled from this workflow. So now that I have all my messages set up, I'm gonna go ahead and activate this workflow by clicking the activate button right here. And now it's set as active. I can always choose to pause a workflow or deactivate it right here, or I can also delete a workflow. So now I'll jump back into my list of workflows, and I can see here the list of all the workflows that I have created, which ones are active and which ones are inactive. So there's Boostpoint Workflows. Thanks so much for joining me for this video. I hope it was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.